got here? Oh man. Sheesh. Oh yeah, I'm pleased with how these look. All right. All right, so we got our kale chopped, and I also went ahead and chopped up some red onions because I'm gonna saute these and try to get them a little caramelized, and then I'll add the kale in there with them, so it'll be a nice kale and onion mix. Right, we got our coconut quinoa right here. Those are just coconut flakes, so don't be alarmed. Gonna use most of this for the mushroom bowls, and I'm also gonna set some of it aside and use it for breakfast in the coming days. It's good, y'all. Everything just comes together so nicely with the mushrooms. You get that umami from the liquid aminos, and then the onions and lacinato kale, coconut quinoa, and topping it off with the toasted almonds. This is a show enough winner. Again, your Daniel fast does not have to be boring. The Lord isn't boring, so your food ain't got to be boring. All right, time for some juice. So here's what we're gonna put into this one. So we got some frozen pineapple, frozen mango, water, of course, lemon juice. It's gonna have some oranges and these yellow bell peppers that you see here, AKA capsicums for our UK and Australian counterparts watching. And got a few knobs of ginger right here. So this will provide a good source of vitamin C and beta carotene. So let's get it. Oh yeah, nice and refreshing. It's got that nice vibrant yellow color. As you can see, I love that. Really good. It's got that good ginger kick on the back end, which we like. You can barely taste the bell pepper. I mean, it's not like I put that much in there anyway. I'm gonna take some to Wonder Woman and see what she thinks. All right, look who's here, folks. She came down for some.
I heard my name.
Uh-huh. The people want to know what you think of this. I gotta name it. It's the golden tonic, the golden something. It's yellow fresh instead of hello fresh, yellow fresh.
Yeah, I taste the ginger.
Oh yeah.
Is there pineapple? No.
It is.
Pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else because I can't taste mango. What is it? What else? Oh, I think I saw them earlier. Peppers.
Uh-huh. Yes, yellow bell pepper, yellow capsicums.
Yup.
And some mango.
Mango. Yep.
And some lemon juice.
Nice.
A little bit of lemon juice.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
She likes it, y'all. Wife approved. y'all, so for dinner, we decided to get some takeout from our favorite Indian restaurant. We got these vegetable biryani bowls, so we're about to enjoy these for the night to cap off day 6. All right, so it's day 7. So for lunch and dinner, we've still been having the same things that we ate yesterday. But for today, gonna make a little snack for us to have. I'm gonna do some quick no-bake bars. These will have everything that you see here. They'll have oats, as well as some roasted nuts. I went ahead and roasted some almonds, as well as a few pumpkin seeds, our date preserves that we made the other day, as well as some dried cherries that are in that jar there, some coconut flakes, some cashews, hemp seeds. We're gonna add some maca powder in there as well, some peanut butter, and the rest of this almond butter here. It's not much in there, but we figured just go ahead and get rid of the rest of it, as well as a little bit of our protein powder. So this should be a good little go-to snack to help tie us over in between meals. All right, y'all, so that is a wrap for week 1. Now, we do plan to share what else we're gonna be eating and making over the next couple weeks during our fast, so make sure that you subscribe as well so that you don't miss out on any of that. But in the meantime, if you wanna check out some of our other plant-based recipes as well as our grocery hauls, then click on one of these videos over here on the right and we'll see you over there.